Look at the screen carefully. I'm gonna ask something. Can you tell me which phone it is just by looking at the front end UI? Or at least from which company it is? Looking at the UI, it might seem like this is a Pixel device, but it isn't. This is Samsung A52. Before you say yet another custom ROM video, no, it isn't. I haven't installed any custom ROM or even rooted this device. So what's exactly going on here? That's what this video is about. So first, let me tell you what I did to get this pixel kind of look for my Samsung device. So you can follow the steps and get this pixel kind of look for any of the Android device you are using. Most of the Google apps are available on Play Store for anyone to use them. What I did, I installed some of them to simulate the pixel experience. There is Google Dialer for call screen and dialer application itself, Google Messages for SMS and RCS. Google optimized its messaging app for Samsung phones, so it's even better for Samsung users. Obviously, Gboard for keyboard. Now the big ones, launcher and wallpapers. Let's talk about them. I've got this Pixel 5 live wallpapers from XDA, and as far as this device is concerned, wallpaper working perfectly, but it may not work in all devices, as this wallpaper only works on Qualcomm Snapdragon device. So if this wallpaper isn't working on your device, then Doodle Wallpaper is the app for you. This app is by far the best live wallpaper I've ever found. Why I like this wallpaper app so much? Let's talk about it. See the number of wallpapers in this app? You don't have to set them each time you wanna change them. Just set wallpaper once, and whenever you wanna change the wallpaper, just tap on it from the app and change will take effect immediately. Though the wallpapers here are very professional, optimized for performance, and look exactly like Pixel wallpapers. They are very responsive as well. They respond to device light and dark theme. What that means? Every wallpaper in this app have a light and dark version. Reason I chose launcher over others is simple. It doesn't feel like I'm using a third-party launcher, except the animations of course. Even though there are amazing features in launcher, like themed icons, accent color is picked from the wallpaper. But I'm not going into details of this kind of stuff in this video. I chose this one because overall feel of this launcher is very smooth and fast. And as I've said already, it doesn't feel like I'm using a third-party launcher. So I can't think of any other launcher than this to get the pixel feel. So that was it. This video was extremely short because there wasn't much to do, but the result anyway is amazing, at least for me. Let me know if you like what I did here, give your suggestion regarding the content you wanna watch, and let me sign out the video.